Greetings from Ågesta Nudist Beach, Ågesta Naturistbad in Huddinge municipality, Stockholm region. Now I am here on yet another beach adventure with Chris on this cold November day. It is only 2 degrees Celsius in the air and a bit more warmer in the lake. It is 5 degrees Celsius in Lake Magelungen, and I am now doing another beach adventure after 2 days of rest, as I was on a management training for 2 days in the city and I couldn't have time to take a dip, even though the weather was splendid. Now it's still a bit dark and moody, and this is how November should be actually. But I wanted to take a dip today, and I knew that it's gonna be a bit warmer in the water, as we had a lot more warmer temperatures previous few days, despite having icy lake. This one exactly was covered in ice just over the weekend. So yes, 28th of November 2024. It took me 7.5 kilometers to reach the spot with my bike, and I was well clothed because it was quite chilly, but it's not windy that much, so it doesn't feel like that. And Ågesta Naturistbad I have shown you several times before on my channel, and it's completely empty today, obviously, because nobody takes a swim on a day like this. But it's also nice to be all alone and enjoy the beautiful nature all around here. Now, yes, this is a small sandy beach, and there is a huge green area as well, and what I mostly came for here is the jetty, because I think this is the only jetty that has steps now, as they have taken them out, the ones that are in Farsta and Fagerhå, that are actually closer to my home. So that's a pity, but I came here now today to Ågesta Naturistbad. Now let's get changed and go in for a quick swim or dip here in the Lake Magelungen on this beach day 212. Let's go! And it's time to go for a swim here at Lake Magelungen at Ågesta Naturistbad. I have had a lot of clothes with me. As you can see, my winter jacket is hanging there on that front, and I have a lot more clothes in my backpack. But 5 degrees Celsius in the lake, so it's gonna be a nice swim, especially now when the water is a bit warmer than the air. So let's get going. Let's not wait any longer, as I might get a lot colder the longer I stay out. And it's very important to dry off because I have also to cycle back home 7.5 kilometers. Cool. Okay, I'm adapting a bit now with the legs before I go in. And yeah, let's see when I will end the beach season. I was aiming for 210 and now I'm at 212 beach days, so maybe I will go with 215, so 3 more days. I heard the weekend it's gonna be nice and sunny with up to 8 degrees Celsius on Sunday. So anyway, so Thursday, November Thursday, in this depressing weather that hopefully will come to an end soon. So it is time then to take a dip at this beautiful lake of Magelungen. So are you ready? Because I am ready, set, go! Oh, nice, very nice. Oh. So my body is evaporating because of the difference of the temperature, but it's so nice indeed. Anyway, that was nice, very nice and refreshing. Especially you feel the kick when you go with the head inside, because that's the most hard part, I would say. Cool, so that's a wrap from Ågesta Naturistbad on this 28th of November. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.